Alright, I'm going to show you how to replace a round top or old vintage 1950s fridge door seal. So, we sell a universal fridge seal for round tops or retro fridges, which you can buy from our website. The seal, if you lift it back, you'll see some screws going around the entire door. You need to completely remove these screws all the way around. So we'll start by removing the screws. You can use either a flat-bladed screwdriver, or you could use a drill with a flat head on it. The drill is a bit harder unless you do it extremely slowly. We'll try the drill first. There we go. And that's what the screw looks like. Once you do remove the screws, you'll be able to remove the seal from behind the door liner. There's like a flap that hooks in behind that door panel, and the screw simply holds it in place. I'll probably fast forward this bit. Also, what I like to do is keep one screw in so the door panel doesn't come off. So I'm going to put this top screw back in actually. Just in case the door panel falls off. Alright, now the screws are removed. Like I said, I've left one screw in the top just to stop this door liner from falling off the door. So now I can peel the seal out from behind the door liner. And you can see the door liner is quite loose. That's why the screw at the top really helps. Now the new seal will look something like this, and it's got a flap on the back, and that flap will go in behind that panel and then just put the screws back in. So we'll start doing that. If you're finding that the door panel's quite tight, get the flat-bladed screwdriver and just pry the panel forward. I'm going to put one screw back in to hold it in place. Alright, we've got most of it on. Just need to put some of the screws back in, so. It's good to cut through the hole. Scissors. Just to help get the screw through that flat. Alright, just gotta put the rest of the screws back in. You might even be able to use some self-tapping screws. We'll give it a go, actually. I'll see if I can use some Phillips tech screws, which might be a bit quicker. Let's have a look. Yeah, that was a lot quicker. So you might want to use some tech screws or even some wood screws. Yeah, it's so much easier with tech screws. Alright, all the screws are back in except for some of the screws around the corner. You'll find the seal on the inside might buckle a little bit on that curve. There is a way to fix that, which I'll probably do at the end. You can either cut some little V's out here where it folds and they'll sit in flat, or on the back flap you can cut a bunch of lines, which I might do. But it's only on the inside you'll find the crimple. On the outside it's perfectly round. So it's looking pretty good. I'm just going to make sure it seals properly. And then we'll look at maybe cutting out those corners just to make it curve a bit better. So let's see how we go. It's looking pretty good. As you can see, it's sealing nicely. There are some parts I might fix, like here. It looks like I need to tuck the flap in just a tiny bit more and put the screw back in. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. It's looking good. What a beautiful looking fridge, huh? This is a Crosley Shelvador, but we do Kelvinators, Westinghouses, HMVs, you name it. Any round top fridge we can supply a universal seal. that will fit. So I'm gonna stop the video here. I'll make another video soon on how to fix the corners. Thank you.